Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can easily change privacy settings on Samsung Galaxy A36. So first, what you guys can do is change app permissions. So how you do that is you go to settings, and now what you need to do is go to privacy. So scroll down until you see security and privacy. Now here, click on privacy, which is right here. And we have permissions used in the last 24 hours. Here, we can disable them. As you guys can see, we can select do not allow for contacts. But you can also try and do it for the camera. As you guys can see, we can select ask every time. And now after we enter the camera, it will ask if it can take pictures and record videos. So, as you guys can see, we can just do that. And that would be it. Now, the second privacy setting that you can change is the location privacy. So first, go back to the main page of the settings, and now you need to tap on location. After you do that, here you can disable it or you can enable it, and here in app permissions, as you guys can see, last access, here ask every time or allow only while using the app, or turn it off completely, depending on your preference. Now here, we can change it for almost every app on the phone. As you guys can see, here it's not allowed, but here it's allowed only while in use and all the time. Now what we can do is manage Google privacy settings, and now we need to go back to the main page and now scroll down until we see Google. Now click on it, and here what you can do is manage your Google account. So go here, click it, now go to data and privacy, and here, as you guys can see, we can change like search personalization. We can disable it. Also, what we can do is enable or disable personalized ads, depending on your preference, or location history. As you guys can see, we can change it all right here. Now, what we can also do is enable or disable lock screen privacy features, just like passwords. So, how we do that is we go to settings, and now we need to tap on lock screen. As you guys can see here, go to screen lock and biometrics. And here we need to enter our current password, and here we can set it for PIN, for example. Now click continue. And now click OK. And as you guys can see, now if you want to enable our phone, what we need to do is enter the PIN provided. And now that would be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.